Ever wondered how crucial the role of lighting is in a bathroom? Well, it's more than just illuminating a space. It's the secret ingredient that enhances functionality and sets the tone for your sanctuary. You see, good lighting in a bathroom is the perfect blend of task and ambient lighting, which not only helps you perform routine tasks, but also creates a relaxing ambiance. So, a well-lit bathroom is not just about brightness, but about creating a balance. Now that we understand the importance, let's delve into the basics of bathroom lighting. Bathroom lighting is a blend of functionality and atmosphere. Think of functional lighting as your task light. It's responsible for illuminating areas for specific tasks, such as shaving or applying makeup. On the other hand, atmospheric lighting adds a touch of warmth and ambiance, making your bathroom a cozy retreat. However, it's crucial to note that there are regulations to consider when planning bathroom lighting, ensuring safety in this often damp environment. Planning is the key to effective bathroom lighting, but how do we plan? Planning bathroom lighting involves understanding the space and its needs. To start, analyze your bathroom's layout. Where are the shadows? Where does natural light fall? From there, select appropriate light sources. Consider LED lights for energy efficiency and longevity. Position your lights strategically, focusing on areas like the mirror and shower. A well-lit mirror can make morning routines a breeze, while good shower lighting enhances safety. With the right plan, you can enhance your bathroom's ambiance and functionality. But what types of lights should you consider? From ceiling lights to wall lamps, the right lighting can transform your bathroom. Ceiling lights emit a broad spectrum of light, making everything visible, while wall lamps provide a softer, more focused light. Spotlights can highlight certain areas or features. Then there's indirect lighting, which gives your bathroom a cozy, relaxing atmosphere. And let's not forget functional lighting for mirrors and showers, ensuring you see everything clearly. Remember, the right lighting can make or break your bathroom's look and feel. Like any other aspect of home decor, bathroom lighting also has its pitfalls. A common blunder is overlighting, which often results in glare. To avoid this, consider using dimmable lights for adjustable brightness. Another typical error is neglecting shadow casts and light distribution. This can be rectified by positioning lights strategically to illuminate all corners and reduce shadows. Remember, the goal is to create a blend of functional and atmospheric lighting. Avoid these mistakes and you're well on your way to creating the perfect bathroom lighting. Let's address some of the common questions related to bathroom lighting. Can you use regular lights in the bathroom? Yes, but ensure they're rated for bathroom use. How to avoid shadows on the mirror? Position lights on either side of the mirror. What's the best color temperature? Warm for ambient, cool for task lighting. How to light the bathroom energy efficiently? Use LED lights. With these tips and insights, you're now equipped to plan and implement the perfect lighting for your bathroom.